Hello everyone. I received this remote control car from Amazon. Now it comes with two rechargeable battery packs. One is charging while the other one being used. It comes with this remote control that takes two AA batteries right there. And this remote controls the car left, right, front, back. And it spins and do all that. Okay, so let's turn this on. Okay, it's a 2.4 gigahertz, and it's a metal frame. Okay, exploding tires, music, realistic driving sound. What else? There's so much about this thing here. Lots of fun. It's $29.99. I received mine free from the program. So this is how you turn this on. Now I want you to listen when I turn it on. See that? You turn it on, that red button. Hear that? Okay, so let's see how this baby roll. Okay, I'm down there trying to keep it in focus and put it down like that. Runs good in the street, but too many cars coming. Okay, so let's go. Let's go before the battery run out. Okay, what does it? It's not on. Grass and everything, see. Rolling grass looks very well. See how I go in the grass. We'll get stuck now. Get out this tree. Alright, have it in focus. Look at that stick. But I can't turn left or right because I'm holding the camera. Okay. Alright. You get the drift, what it do. It's a bad little car. Empty car now, but no cars are doing fine. Look at that high grade. Should be good to you. See that? Let's see. Oh boy, I'm so bad with this camera. Trying to. Okay, that gonna do it. All right. Ooh, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Until we meet again in the next project, okay? See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.